Today I'm doing a review on this adjustable office swivel chair. I'm using it as a vanity chair. It is small and compact, so it's perfect for this vanity. It does have a ribbed seat and it's very cushioned. It is waterproof. It also can hold up to 250 pounds. It does swivel and turn quite easily. You can tell right there. The soft material and sturdy construction really make this a great office chair or vanity chair to buy. I really liked how it was shaped. It really curved to the way that my back was. You can see the control bar right there, and that's how you're going to raise it or lowering it while you sit in it. The wheels themselves are durable caster and they allow 360 degrees rolling mobility. I mean, that's perfect for an office chair. So if you're looking for an office chair that moves with you, this is the one for you. See you guys next time.